Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we will talk about a powerful tool that will make your goal feel more achievable. It is visualization. So what exactly is visualization? Visualization is a powerful technique where you use your mental imaginary to picture yourself achieving your goals. It is just not daydreaming. Visualization can actually train your brain to recognize and focus on the steps which are needed to achieve your goals. Visualization works because our brain cannot always difference between the real experience and the imagined ones. So when we visualize ourselves achieving those goals, our brain starts to think that it is possible, and it brings motivation and confidence. So there are 3 steps in visualization. First, set the specific goal. Set your goals which you want to achieve. Not only set the goals, also set the steps which are there in achieving that goal. Second, create the mental movie. So imagine yourself achieving that goal. Also imagine yourself doing the steps which are required for that goal. Suppose you want to get fit, not only imagine yourself in a fit body, also imagine yourself doing the workout. Third, focus on the process. Focus on the process and stay consistent. You will see the result. There are many practical visualization techniques that can help you create your vision. One of them is morning visualization technique. When you wake up in the morning, spend some time with yourself. Imagine yourself following the steps which are needed for your goal, and also imagine yourself achieving that goal. Visualization is difficult at first. When you start, you won't be able to imagine yourself in detail. So don't worry, start small. Visualization only works when we practice it regularly. So practice it regularly and stay consistent. Visualization is a very powerful technique to boost your confidence and motivation. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow in another video.